What? Oh, it's video.
Oh yeah, you gotta video it! Do it! Stella, do another one!
Stella, do somersault.
You gotta stand up.
You gotta stand up first.
Come over here and stand up. Come over here. Come over here and face Daddy. Are you doing it?
Oh!
No.
Not
Turn
that way.
around. Stand up. Turn around.
Turn towards me. Okay, now do somersault.
No. Turn around. Now, put your head down. Do a somersault. Yay! Yeah!
Stella, can you do another somersault?
Can you do another one? Show us how you do them. Can you do somersault, Stella? You gotta stand up. Oh, you gotta stand up first and turn around and face Daddy. Stand up. You're not gonna go uphill. Stand up. Stand up. Ready? No, turn to Daddy. Show Daddy. Look at Daddy. Stella. Hey. Okay, ready? Go, do your somersault.
Somersault. Stella, somersault.
No. Mommy.
What? That is Mommy. Gotcha. Give me 5. Yeah. Whee! Is that one fun? You got lots of boogers in your nose. Yucky. You need a tissue, so that I don't have one. Nice hair, Stella.
Yeah.
Very nice. You gotta stand up first. There you go.
Dancing.
Yeah, you can do one. Jackson, no!
Stella, don't get too close.
No. Don't hit that, don't bite that stick. No, get a different one. Turn around, Stella. Wave at Daddy. Do him a somersault. Whee!
Daddy.
Stella, give me high five. Good job.
Give Daddy 5.